Welcome guys to another video. I'm Nair, and this is another chugging video. I'm going to try to get on the pattern of doing chugging videos spread out, but not super spread out, like months, like a month apart. I'm trying to go back to like doing them pretty frequently. So this drink is supposed to have the strawberry one done, but I sent the video to Crits and he never edited it. He still hasn't, so I'm probably going to just have to film it and release it, redo it, and just release it because, yeah. This is not the strawberry one though. Grape Sunkist. I'm not done any Sunkists chugs on this channel, and I want to do so. So, we're going to get into it, and we're going to be trying to chug without burping, and hopefully this has kind of cooled off since I had to go to the bathroom and stuff, and yeah, hopefully this has cooled off a little bit so I can do it pretty quickly. Is this going to explode? Okay, it's not going to. Imagine it just explodes, and yeah, gets everywhere, but yeah. Get into the Sunkist grape, and yeah, let's get into it. Oh. If you want to know what the hardest ones I had to chug was, just 1 second, let me get a little bit more done. The hardest drinks I've had to chug so far: Dr. Pepper, root beer, Sprite, Sprite, and the Flaming Hot Mountain Dew, bro. The Flaming Hot Mountain Dew low-key had me seeing stars when I closed my eyes. Like, I felt like I was gonna hurt, like I was gonna throw up, bro. Like, not even low-key, high-key. Like, I thought I was gonna have to, like, cut the camera or get out of the way, and I was at Braden's house or Crits, and I didn't want to do that. But yeah, those are probably my hardest chugs so far. But every chug has a little bit of a challenge because you can't burp, and usually sodas are hard to chug because it hurts your stomach. I felt burp coming on. I'm trying to it's like right here. Like the burp is right here. Now it's like getting up here, bro. It's gonna be so hard. It's on already purple, man. Purple like lean, purple like lean. Listen to that boy. This is what it feels like when you're chugging a soda. Hold on, let me hold down the burp because I might burp if I do it. It just feels like pop, 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 right to my stomach. Like it feels like I just inhaled hydrogen, bro. Don't ask me how I know that. I don't. Oh. Jeez. Oh. I might burp. I might not get this one. The last two chugs I've gotten, the Flaming Hot and the the latest one. The original Mountain Dew. That's what I got. Those two done. I actually might. Oh, bro. Oh, actually no. I've done the Sunkist. I think I did the orange one, and I just burped. Man. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to make an apology video after the. No, I'm kidding, but I'm sorry. I tried, bro. I really tried. I should have just kept going, sucked it up, and maybe. But nah, that would have built it up. That's why I don't do it as fast as I can. And pop, bang, ding, ding, dang. I don't even care. I shot you in the brain. Yeah. Anyway, like. Oh, it's such a relief, though. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on. Share to at least one friend. Comment down below. Whatever you want to say. Criticize me. Tell me that I can't chug. I'm weak. If I did it, it would be easy. Yeah, anyway, but see you guys in the next video. Peace.